I am putting my finger over the opening to trap air inside. No extra air can get in and no air can escape. Watch what happens to the marshmallow when I push the plunger down and pull it back on, while the air is trapped inside. When I pull the plunger back, the marshmallow gets bigger. When I push the plunger down, the marshmallow gets smaller.
Hello, for today's video, I'm going to do an experiment about Charles' law. So the materials that we are going to dip is hot and cold water, 2 balloons, and a basin. So let's begin the experiment. The first thing that I do is blow up the balloon and let's put in a cold water for a couple of minutes so for us to see what will happen to the balloon when we put it in cold water. As I do this experiment, I observe that the balloon is slowly shrinking to the cold water. Because in kinetic theory, when the temperature is decreased, the kinetic energy of the gas will also decrease. So the next one will be in hot water. So for us to see what will happen to the balloon, let's put it in a hot water. Let's wait and see to see the result of this experiment. As I also do this experiment, I also observed that the balloon is slowly increasing or expanding to its original size. Because in kinetic theory, when the temperature increases, the kinetic energy of the volume will also increase. So this is the end of my experiment today. Thank you!
The pressure is constantly rising up and the temperatures kept rising on this own. So now we're going to lit up with our own colors to see what will going to happen. 1, 2, 3. As you can see, the candle was lit up because of too much pressure, and the rest of the pressure, the pressure arises at it was in the water, on the dye. So technically and scientifically, Gay-Lussac's law was proven in the hydrogen, in means of the hydrogen compound, or also known as the water. So as you can see, the dye was sorted out in the glass, and now the candle is lit. So as you can see on the experiment, this proves that the relationship between the temperature and the pressure are in a constant volume are directly proportional to itself. And so thank you for watching. I'm Ian Kenneth Garcia Verdera, and we're Group 6, the Hydrolysis Group.